좋지 않으시요? Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying this new style of my microphone, and since I started using it, I can easily understand the quality difference between the internal microphone on the camera and this microphone. And I want to start with the most recent book that I've finished this week, which is Just Kids by Patti Smith. I found the Turkish version of it, and it was way easier to read it in a couple of days. And I think no matter how fluent I get in a foreign language, it just can't beat my speed in my first language. So it's gonna always be easier to move on without reading it word by word. And this book is a memoir by Patti Smith, who is a very famous artist who I didn't know before reading this book. And I think she was interested in poetry when she was younger, but as she grew up and her interests evolved, she decided to pursue songwriting and singing career. And this book mainly focuses on her friendship with this guy on the cover of the book. His name was Robert. They were lovers, they were best friends, they were sometimes roommates, and they just had this relationship throughout their lives. And unfortunately, Robert dies before her, but I don't think they were romantically involved at the time, because when Robert died, he was single, but she had 2 children, I think, and she just moved on with her life without waiting for Robert to come back to her after many different relationships that he had with different genders. So I think they just helped each other become the artist they wanted to be since their earlier years. And it was a beautiful story about the innocence of childhood. Next book that I'm reading right now, and actually I'm stuck with it. It is called The Cloisters. I read it on my Kindle. There's this girl who just started to work at this art gallery type of thing. I don't know what it is actually. I don't know the meaning of cloister. And there is a girl called Rachel, and I don't know the name of the main character, but I know Rachel well because she always talks about her and how much she wants to be like her. Her father taught her so many languages, and they had many different works of translation when he was alive. So she's very lucky in these terms. I hope she will gain some confidence and she will find a way to show her skills to other people, especially to Rachel. I think this girl isn't able to develop a certain level of friendship with people. She's always distant, but I think this is because she just lost her father and she just moved out of their house. She used to live with her mother, but the mother is in a bad situation right now after the passing of the father. And this girl is trying to find a place for herself in New York, in a very big city, and also in this new workplace, but I'm not enjoying it right now.